Hello students, good morning. It is me Lalit Misra. Today I have come with class 12 Book Vistas chapter number 4 On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. Students, this is a very inspirational and motivational play. So first of all, before proceeding to the play, I am going to tell you about the author. The full name of Susan Hill is Elizabeth Susan Hill. She was born in 1942. She is an English author of fiction and non-fiction works. She is also children's writer and radio playwright. Her chief works are The Enclosure, written in 1961. It was her first novel. A Change for the Better. It was written in 1969. I Am the King of the Castle. It was written in 1970 and this won Somerset Maugham Award. The Word of Knights. It was written in 1972 and this also won Whitbread Prize. The Woman in Black. It was written in 1983. The Mist in the Mirror, written in 1992. So these are the very important and chief compositions, chief novels of the author. Now I am giving you the introduction to the chapter. This is a play and it is about a teenage boy named Derry. Full name is Derek. Derry has a burnt face. Another character is Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb is also disabled old man. He had an artificial leg and this is metallic leg and it is made of tin. Derry enters Lamb's garden. Why? Reason is that he is not able to face the world, so he enters the garden because of he want to hide himself from the world, because his face is burnt and he knows it well that nobody in this world wants to see his burnt face, so he escapes from the world. Here in the garden, Mr. Lamb gives him very pleasant welcome and motivates him to lead a normal life, leaving behind his past. Students, as by the introduction you come to know that the play is having chiefly two characters. One is Derry, another is Mr. Lamb. Who is Derry? Derry, a 14 years old boy with one side of his face burst in an accident. This boy appears in this play withdrawn, defiant, pessimistic, lonely, bitter towards words, and very much careful about his disability. But later on, he learns how to live a normal life by the motivation and encouragement by Mr. Lamb. Next character is Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb is an old cripple with an artificial tin leg. He is also a disabled man, but he is optimistic. He is lonely but happy. He enjoys his life and encourages Derry to look at the bright side of life. Lamb's speeches are motivational for us also. So my dear students, keep in mind the speeches that has been spoken by Lamb to encourage Derry to live a good and happy life. Now I am giving you the overview of this chapter. As you know, this is a play and a play has its scenes, its characters, So the first scene starts in Lamb's garden. In this scene, you have seen that Derry climbs over garden wall and get into the garden. Here, though he was thinking that nobody is there in the garden, but here he come across Mr. Lamb. First, they talk about crab apples because this garden is having apple trees. They talk about that the house is empty. As Diddy speaks that he was thinking that the house was empty. At this, Mr. Lamb replies, "Ki definitely it was empty, but no, it is me there and now it is you are there." They also talk about Hugh's garden. During the conversation, Derry also explains that he is fearful, and Lamb assures him that there is nothing in this world to be afraid of. At this, Derry tells him that he is not afraid, but people are afraid of him because of his burnt face. Here, Derry narrates an accident which happened at the bus stop. He told to Lamb that he heard two women talk about his face. One of them said, "Look at that, that is a terrible thing. That is a face only a mother could love." Listening this, he is very hurt and calls it cruel. Here Mr. Lamb advises him not to believe everything that he hears. To this, Derry replies that he finds Mr. Lamb peculiar. He further tells him that he came in the garden because he liked it, but he does not like being near people. Mr. Lamb also reveals his impairment, and he tells that there are so many people in this world that also calls him with another name. He tells that kids call him Lammy Lamb, but this does not bother him. Derry is filled with bitterness. He says that nobody will kiss his face except his mother, and she also on the other side. Other side means other side which is not want. After that, Lamb motivates him by telling a story of a man, and that man is also afraid of death. What is the story? That man who was afraid of death, he feared each and everything. So what happened? He locked himself in a room. Here Mr. Lamb narrates him a story. There was a man who was afraid of everything, whatever he looked. So what he did? He locked himself in a room. Unfortunately, but what happens? Death cannot leave anybody else. If anything is sure to come in life, that is death. So what is need to be afraid of death, my dear students? So unfortunately, what happened to that person? He died. Why? Because a picture that was hanging on the wall fell on his head. When Mr. Lamb narrates this story to Derry, Derry laughs a lot at the story. Derry asks Mr. Lamb if he has any friend. Mr. Lamb tells him that he has many friends, because this garden is a place where he welcomes everybody who come in. The gate of this garden is always open. So many persons are there that are his friends. Lamb tells Derry that he can change his attitude by watching, thinking and listening. Here Lamb explains the magic of watching, listening and thinking. And this is the process. By watching, by thinking and by listening, anybody can change his attitude. So here Lamb also motivates Derry that he can change his attitude, because his attitude towards life is not good for the life. he wants Derry to understand that life is full of good things. He also explains so many things so that Derry can understand the value of life. Though the face is gaunt, but still the life is very much precious. This is the unique things which you have got, and this is the only thing which you have got in your life. There is no substitute of this life. So my dear students, this is a very important thing for you to keep in mind, that this life is very important. Do not waste it. Derry offers his help to Mr. Lamb. Mr. Derry has been very much impressed to Mr. Lamb, so he offers his help. Derry said that he could help him, but his mother won't allow him to come out once he gets home. Derry knows that his mother always stop him from going outside. So Derry want to help him, but Derry says to Lamb that if he went to home, he will not come back because his mother won't allow him to go out. At this, Mr. Lamb tells him that it is not his mother, but his bitterness and hesitation. It is not his mother, because if mother stops him, it means he also does not want to go out. He also does not want to face people. He also does not want to show his face in the open sunlight. That is why he excuses that his mother stops him, but in fact Derry also does not like to come out. But here Lamb encourages him by saying that he is a young boy. He can do what he wants to do. His burnt face is only an excuse. Derry gets infuriated and promises Lamb to return to garden. After this statement, this sentence that Derry is making excuse, he himself does not want to come out. At this pinches Derry, and Derry gets infuriated, and he promises Lamb that he will return to garden. After that, Derry went to his home. There she talks to his mother. Mother stops him, but he does not stop, and he runs back to the garden. So students, the second scene starts in Derry's home. Here Derry argues with his mother to return to Lamb's garden to look at the things. Here Derry's transformation has begun. Here we can find a good change in the attitude of Mr. Derry. So the final scene moves to the Lamb's garden again. So this is the final scene. What happens? Derry reaches there panting. Now Derry came to the garden panting, losing his breath. Here he reached. He finds Lamb laying on the ground. What happened to Lamb? Because Lamb was attempting to pick the apple off the tree by climbing on the ladder, which has been slipped. Derry tries to awaken him, but he is not moved because he is dead. He fell down from the ladder because ladder slipped, so he is dead. He is not moved. Derry tries to awaken him, but all in vain. Derry cries a lot because Derry has lost his true and only friend. This is the friend who changed Derry's attitude, and this is the friend who changed Derry's life. Lamb has taught him how to live life joyfully when there is darkness all around. When there was darkness all around, so with the motivation of Mr. Lamb, Derry's life has been changed completely. So here your play ends. Now dear students, I want to give you some very important questions. Questions are very easy. With the explanation, with the overview of the chapter, with the PowerPoints which I have explained here, with the help of these points, you can give the answer. So try to give your answers. What was Derry's infirmity? It is clear. How had it made him withdrawn and defiant? Answer is clear. So write it down please. Give, compare and contrast in the character of Derry and Lamb. Students, I have explained from the beginning to the end the difference in the qualities of Derry and Lamb. So here very nicely you can present the compare and contrast. Who is Mr. Lamb? Why do people call him Lamby Lamb? Who is Mr. Lamb? This answer I have given you in the introduction of the character. And why people call him Lamby Lamb? That also answer is given. Why did Derry's mother stop him from going to the Mr. Lamb? This thing also explained very nicely. Who is Derry? What opinion does he hold about himself? Discuss the relevance of the title on the face of it. So students, these are the very important questions. You write down the answer. If you have the problem, you can write your problem, you can give your problem in the comment box. So answer you will get, solution of your problem you will get very shortly. That is all for today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy.